Welcome to another Enjoying Art watercolor lesson. Today we're going to talk about how to paint a figure in a red dress. I also have painted the same reference with oil. If you like to learn oil, acrylic, or other opaque medium, now you can go to this link to see how I finished a painting in another medium. We skip all the drawing steps and the perspective member can view the full version in our learning center. Now we're going to start the painting. Let's take a look at the background. I'm going to take a little blue color. This side a little bit cooler. Here you go. Just use the large brush and also get a little bit red. Here you go. That. And that's for the left side. Like that. That's good. And I'm going to coming over here. That's good. I'm going to come back to give a little bit more details later. I'm going to come back to this side. You see how easy, right? Just focus on the areas. And also can go with the motion of the perspective. Okay, that's good. Very close to the skin tone is the red color in this three color, right? Take the red, maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Good enough. I'm going to get the yellow, which is the next color. And it looks like a orange color. And then you're going to get a little bit blue, this pleasant blue, which is the also can be the blue green shade. Okay, here we go. Now I have this color, maybe a little bit more blue. Now I have a little bit darker, a little bit more muted. That's just good. It's how easy to mix the brown color. Okay, now I'm going to come here to take a look at the skin tone. I'm going to actually add a little bit darker color at the bottom. Just use these two colors together. It should be good enough. Okay, I'm going to have the bottom over here. That. And see a little crack over there. Very interesting. Okay, like that. That's good. And okay, now I'm going to have a little bit, just the light blue color right here. Like that. Good. And now I'm going to take a look at this side. I'm going to use the 1-inch flat brush. I'm going to have the orange color feeling. I'm going to take the orange color. Let's take the yellow color, and that's it. With a little red. And take a look. And there's a little bit more red. Okay. Put it over here. That's right. That's good. I'm going to come in over here. And it's already dry. The skin tone is very quick and easy. Okay. Go. Going around the skin. And coming around over here. Here you go. Like this. And now I'm going to start at red color. This color is supposed to be darker than the skin tone. Okay. Okay. The first round. And when I'm doing this already dry. I'm going to have a little bit darker shape by having a little blue color in it. Like that. That's just good. I'm going to come here to make this a little bit darker. And all the way coming to the arm over here. That's a little bit darker. That's a little bit darker, the shape. Just put that on first. Don't worry about that other things. And I'm going to also have down over here is a little bit more wet, which is great. I'm going to have this coming in. And have a little bit softer. See how it look. Okay, coming down over here like this. Also on this side. And a little bit darker. Coming all the way over here. And it will be fine if we are coming back to lift a little color, and then we can make it look much better. Okay, here you go. And the middle over here coming up. this. Here we go. Have a little shape. And under here, has a little bit catch the shadow. Okay, that's good. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to have a little bit more red color like this. And have a little shape coming down over here. Here you go. Seeing the shadow. That's okay. And we're doing some lifting a little bit later. Okay, here you go. That's the shadow. That's the shadow coming down over here. That's okay. That's good. A little catch the shadow over there. And also a little catch the shadow. And a little fold coming over here. And we're going to do that a little bit later. We're going to lift up the color a little bit later. And right now, I'm going to also have just the red color. And have that in the little richer area. Here you go, just the red color. But that's good. A little bit more red and the top over here. So don't worry about that. It's oh, it's going to accident. You have to have the water do some work for us, right? So I'm going to take the red color, put it over here on the top. Now soften that to create a form a little bit, even a little bit better. Okay, now just put the red color on top of it. Okay, that's good. The color for the hair, I'm going to get a little bit yellow color because a little bit light like that. This would be the good color. So only mixing with the three primary colors is just making you very flexible and think about just the three colors. How much is the yellow? How much the red? You can actually see it in every color, okay, like that. And on the side over here, now we are getting into connect with the shadow very soon at the face. I'm gonna have this coming down over here now. And take a look at it here. I'm just going to use the water, okay? Just clean water. Here you go. Now connect that color in here. Okay, and the back over here, that's good. Connect that color over there. And a little bit softer. Now I'm going to take a look at the face. I'm going to get the yellow. Mix it into the red. And get a little bit blue. I'm going to start this color from the forehead, right here. Okay, take a look at the eye. The eye is, think about a triangle. And the whole thing, the eyebrows and the triangle together as a one shape. Okay, again, right here. Put the line here and the line over here. Mouth area is the shape like this. Very little color like that. Connect to the lip of the mouth. Now I'm going to take a look at under here. That is the shadow side. Just keep looking for the shapes. The same thing, whatever we do. That's good. That. Now I'm going to come to the arm. Now take a look. The arm here. I have a little bit, this is perfect color. I'm going to just put this right in here. You see how big is it? Okay. Now, on this side, the big brown color. And I'm going to have a little bit cooler color on the top over here. Here you go. Now, see this coming over here. That's good. There's a little bit darker here too. Okay, awesome with a little dark color underneath over here. Okay, a little bit color on the gap of the head. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna just soften a little bit. Don't have to over soften it. And lift this color up here. Okay, that's good. The foot over here, we need to have that color over here too. Okay, and that's the skin tone on the foot. Okay, now take a look at inside over here. We still need even a little bit more darker color for the showing the legs and a little bit more, but do that. gonna have that. Make this a little bit darker, a little bit down here. That. And later we're gonna come back to do an overlay wash. I will show you how the overlay wash is gonna help. That. All right. I think the wall looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna give a little bit color for the ground. And let's do a little bit gap like that, and using this brush. Here you go. And I have that. There's a little gap. That's good. So the gaps. Some artists just use the pencil instead of using the brush. Okay, maybe just a little bit over. That's good. A little bit over here. Okay, that's good. Maybe also use a little bit horizontal line like that. And maybe over here, just give a couple line like that. Maybe a little bit over here. A little bit over here. Now here you go. A little bit indication, make it look interesting. Okay, like that. Now it looks interesting, right? It's not hard to do. If you learn more about perspective, that is very simple. I'm gonna have that over here. A little bit more. Actually, just do a little dry brush. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe, and turn on notification. I will looking forward to see you in our next video.